Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making this easy garlic fried rice recipe. This garlic fried rice recipe pairs so well with this shrimp and pepper stir fry recipe that I posted just last week. So if you guys make this shrimp recipe, pair with this fried rice recipe I'm about to show you. They go so well together. Let's get started. We're going to start with a pan heated over medium heat. We're going to drizzle in some olive oil, mince up a whole lot of fresh garlic, then toss it into the oil. Next, we're going to add some red pepper flakes. We're going to stir continuously and cook the garlic and pepper flakes for about 1 minute until the garlic turns golden brown, just like this. This is going to add so much flavor to the fried rice. We want the garlic to be just golden brown, so keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Next, we're going to add some already cooked white rice to the pan. Mix the rice and garlic together very well, then cook everything on high heat for 1 minute. Season with a little bit of salt. You can also add soy sauce to this. Mix everything together, then this delicious garlic fried rice is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this with your favorite side. This garlic fried rice recipe will pair so well with this shrimp and peppers stir fry that I made just last week. You can click the screen to watch this shrimp recipe. If you guys would like to make the fried rice recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.